Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in recovery. Press Command plus R during reboot and stay until the Mac OS Utilities window appears. Once there, open Disk Utility and pick the startup volume, then run First Aid. It repairs directory maps and common corruption. If First Aid reports persistent errors, don't panic. Write down the exact volume name, quit Disk Utility, and move on to Terminal. Because targeted repairs need the precise device identifier to avoid accidental data loss. You'll use Terminal now. Open it from the Utilities menu and run Diskutal list to confirm identifiers, then Diskutal repair volume or FSCK-HFS on the troubled disk. Once the file system is clean, choose Reinstall Mac OS from Recovery to replace system files without erasing data. If the installer stalls, reboot into safe mode by holding Shift. This disables non-essential extensions and can let the installer finish. Make sure to record any error codes. They guide the next precise fix. Finish by resetting nvram/pram. Restart while holding Option plus Command plus P plus R for about 20 seconds to clear hardware-related settings that block utilities. Once your system boots, restore any missing files from Time Machine if the reinstall didn't keep everything. If errors persist, create and boot from an external Mac OS installer and run a full erase and fresh install as a last resort, only after you have a verified backup. Troubleshooting tip: if a step fails, note the exact error text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.